Welcome back to Live at 4, everybody. It can be tough to know if something is wrong with your pet.
So joining us to talk about some of the warning signs is Heidi Boyd with the Wisconsin Humane Society, and Aspen here hanging out with us.
Yes, this is Aspen. She's 2 months old and she is already spayed, has her vaccines and her microchip, so she's ready to go home to a good family just as soon as we get back to the Wisconsin Humane Society shelter on Wisconsin Avenue.
Just as soon as she makes it through the interview.
Yes, yeah.
So how, sometimes a dog or a cat has something going on and it's hard to tell. When do you know when it's time to actually call the vet or go to the vet?
There are a couple of signs that might not seem that big a deal, but actually could be indicators of a bigger problem. One is if your dog is panting very heavily. Panting after exercise is normal, but heavy panting that seems more like a labored breathing can be a sign of a problem. Another one is excessive drooling. If your dog is not a regular drooler but starts to drool excessively, definitely get the dog to the vet.
So I know when I was a new parent, everything looked alarming when the child was
You wanted to call about everything.
So,
kind of the same with a puppy.
What about with puppies? Because you don't know their pattern or behavior.
That's a really good point. And most vets, just develop a good relationship with your veterinarian. You can feel free to call them. You can ask over the phone before you go in.
Right.
That is a good rule of thumb. And also there are some things that they will just happily check out to be sure that you're not overlooking something.
Okay. So
Thanks,
maybe
Heidi.
if when in doubt, call, right?
Yes.
All right, thank you. Got a question for our experts? Email them at AskTheExpert at today's TMJ4.com. You can also leave a voicemail. The number is right there on your screen.